Oh, hi everyone. Welcome back to my video. In this video, I will explain to you about total quality tools in quality management. My name is OROH from 7A IB class, and let's jump to the materials. As usual, let's start with the definition first before we talk about it deeper. So, what is total quality tools or total quality management? Well, total quality management or TQM is a management approach that focuses on long-term success through customer satisfaction. So it involves all of the members of an organization in improving processes, products, services, and the organizational culture. So this TQM emphasizes customer focus, continual improvement, and the involvement of all employees. Please remember that all of the employees. And also it uses strategy, data, and effective communication to integrate quality into the organization culture and activities. TKM aims to streamline supply chain management, improve customer service, and ensure that employees are properly trained. TKM has 8 primary elements. So it is include customer focus, leadership, involvement of people, process approach, system approach to management, continual improvement, factual approach to decision making, and the last one is mutually beneficial supplier relationships. And all of those elements are considered essential to TQM, and many organizations define them as core values and principles. So they are not just important in TQM, but also important in many organizations too. Okay, guys, I think it is clear enough for us for the introduction about total quality tools. So let's move to the deeper part. Okay, TQM can have a beneficial effect on employee and organizational development by establishing cultural values that create long-term success for both customer and the organization. So it helps identify skill deficiencies in employees and provides the necessary training, education, or mentoring to address those needs. TQM or Total Quality Management prescribes a series of ways for organizations to accomplish this, with the pathway to successful continuous improvement that centered on the use of strategy, data, and effective communication to instill a discipline of quality into the organization's culture and processes. Okay, now we move to the example of total quality tools. We will start from the first example, which is Pareto principle or Pareto analysis. So this principle suggests that most effects comes from relatively few causes. It is used to identify the most significant factors contributing to a problem or outcome. The next one is scatter plots or diagram. So these are line graphs with no line. As you guys can see on the screen, there are no line there. So these are used to define the relationship between two variables and identify patterns or correlations. We move to the control charts. So it is used to monitor the stability and trend of a process by plotting sampled measures around control limits. So it is how a process changes over time, allowing organizations to compare current data to historical control limits and determine if the process is in control or out of control. The next example is flowcharts. So these are used to visually represent processes, procedures, or systems, and helping to identify areas for improvement and standardized processes. The next example is cause and effect diagram or fishbone diagram. You guys can see from the model, it is like the fishbone. So this fishbone, it is a tool that is used to identify and categorize potential causes of a problem and facilitating root causes analysis. The next one is histogram. This tool is used to represent the distribution of a set of data and helping to identify patterns and variations. The last one is check sheets. These are structure forms. These structure forms for collecting and analyzing data, which can be adapted for various purposes. Okay, guys, I think it is already clear enough for you because I already showed the image or the example for each total quality tools, and I hope that this can make you clear about total quality tools and can make you understand more about this topic. I think that's all for my explanation about total quality tools. Thank you guys for watching and see you on the next video. Bye-bye.